Hi everyone, in this course we are going to learn about inside bars as basin candles. So what is an inside bar? An inside bar pattern is a two bar in which the inside bar is smaller and within the high to low range of the prior bar. The prior bar is often referred to as the mother bar, and the second smaller bar is referred to as the baby. In fact, there are two types of inside bars: bullish inside bars and bearish inside bars. Let's start with the bullish inside bar. The bullish inside bar happens during an uptrend, as you can see in this illustration. So it is considered as a continuation pattern. When it occurs at the beginning of a demand zone, it can be used as a basin candle to draw the zone. So let me show you how can we use the inside bar as a basin candle. If this pattern happens at the beginning of a demand zone, we draw the distal line at the lower shadow of the mother bar and the proximal line at the close of the inside bar. Let me show you a real chart example. This is the US dollar, Canadian dollar for our chart. And this is a clear drop, base, rally, demand zone. The basic candle is this inside bar. To draw the demand zone, we draw the proximal line at the close of the inside bar and the distal line at the lower shadow of the mother bar. As you can see, we get a nice demand zone. Let's see another chart example. This is the Euro GPY daily chart, and this is the drop, base, rally, demand zone. This is the inside bar basin candle. So as we did in the previous example, we draw the proximal line at the close of the inside bar and the distal line at the lower shadow of the mother bar. Alright, look at another example. This is the pound Swiss franc for our chart, and this is a rally, base, rally, demand zone. So this is an inside bar that was formed as a basin candle. So we draw the proximal line at the close of the inside bar and the distal line at the lower shadow of the mother bar. Alright, let's move to the opposite version of the bullish inside bar, which is the bearish inside bar. The bearish inside bar occurs either with the trend, and it is considered as a continuation pattern, or at the top of an uptrend, and it is considered as a reversal pattern. When this pattern happens at the beginning of a supply zone, it can be used as a basin candle. So to draw the supply zone using the bearish inside bar, you draw the proximal line at the close of the inside bar and the distal line at the upper shadow of the mother bar. When the inside bar is bullish, you draw the proximal line at the open of the candle. Let me give you some real chart examples. This is the Euro US for our chart. The market formed a nice rally, base, drop, supply zone. This bearish inside bar is the basin candle. Draw the proximal line at the close of the inside bar and the distal line at the upper shadow of the mother bar. And as you see, when the market returned to test the supply zone, the market was strongly rejected, forming a nice pin bar pattern. This is another example of the Aussie GPY 1 hour chart. As you can see, this is a supply zone and this is a bearish inside bar that can be used as a basin candle. So to draw the supply zone, you draw the proximal line at the close of the inside bar and the distal line at the upper shadow of the mother bar. And as you can see, when the market returned to test the zone, it was rejected. So your job right now is to open your charts and try to find inside bars at the beginning of supply and demand zones, and then try to draw the zones correctly. See you in the next course.